and today I'm going to read Going to Sleep on the Farm by Wendy, Cheyette, Lewison, and the pictures are by Juan Wingard. How does a cow go to sleep? Tell me how. How does a cow go to sleep? A cow lies down in the soft, sweet hay in a cozy barn at the end of the day. And that's how a cow goes to sleep. Moo, moo. That's how a cow goes to sleep. How does a duck go to sleep? Tell me how. How does a duck go to sleep? A duck tucks his bill right under his wing and doesn't worry about a thing. And that's how a duck goes to sleep. Quack, quack. That's how a duck goes to sleep. How does a horse go to sleep? Tell me how. How does a horse go to sleep? A horse, of course, stands up all night while he's fast asleep with his eyes shut tight. And that's how a horse goes to sleep. Nay, nay, that's how a horse goes to sleep. How does a pig go to sleep? Tell me how. How does a pig go to sleep? A pig curls up with her family or friends. Where one pig starts, another pig ends. And that's how a pig goes to sleep. Oink, oink. That's how a pig goes to sleep. How does a hen go to sleep? Tell me how. How does a hen go to sleep? I wonder. A hen fluffs her feathers so they look their best and sits on her eggs all warm in her nest. And that's how a hen goes to sleep. Cluck, cluck. That's how a hen goes to sleep. How do you go to sleep? Tell me how. How do you go to sleep? You snuggle down in your nice warm bed, and sleepy dreams soon fill your head. And that's how you go to sleep. Shh. That's how you go to sleep. The end.